This is what I use to wash all of our laundry. This is my 5-gallon concentrate recipe. So technically it's a total of 10 gallons of detergent. So the reason I make my own laundry detergent is because I'm trying to reduce the overall environmental toxins that my family is exposed to. So when I first started getting into this non-toxic lifestyle, my husband didn't like any of our detergents because he was like, it's not clean, I can't smell anything. Like, it just smells like nothing. And I was like, yeah, because it's actually clean. It's not just depositing a bunch of endocrine disrupting fragrances. It's like that fragrance in his mind, and I guess for my mind too, was marketed to us that like, oh, so much fragrance means it's clean. And that's just simply not true. So it takes some adjusting to get used to some non-toxic soaps. So just something to keep in mind as you move forward. So I remember when I first started removing toxins from our family's environment, I remember being just like overwhelmed and wanting everything to be thrown out immediately. And I just want to encourage you that it's not going to be perfect overnight, and actually your environment will never be toxin free, but we can just all do the best we can with what we have and do the next right thing for our family. And what you're going to need is 1 bar of Castile soap, some borax if you so choose, and some washing soda. A 5-gallon bucket with a lid. I'm going to stir it with a funnel. I like the automotive funnels. An immersion blender if you have it. If not, you can totally make do without it. Measuring cup and some time. That's pretty much it. Let's just get to it. Also, I'm nursing my kiddo. So first thing you're going to do is grate up your Castile soap. Heat some water on the stove. Really hot, but not boiling. Then you're going to put in 1 cup of washing soda. Stir that until it's dissolved. Then add your Castile soap that's finely grated and stir that until it's dissolved. And then I add the 1/2 cup of borax. Now you stir that until it's all incorporated, and then I just let it simmer for like 2 to 5 minutes, but I kind of just stay close and stir it. Once you're done with that, remove it from the heat, put a lid on it, and let it just sit there for a little bit. While that is settling and kind of cooling down, in your 5-gallon bucket, you're just going to fill it with 70% full with hot water, and then safely, carefully, make sure there's no kids around, pour that hot soapy liquid from the stovetop into your 5-gallon bucket, and then top it off with the rest hot water. That's when you'll add another 1/2 cup of washing soda. My kid just unlatched. Put the lid on, forget about it until tomorrow. Come back and see how chunky it is. You gotta trust the process because it's gonna be like thick. She gonna be thick. Kind of stir it as much as you can, and then I just end up using my immersion blender to kind of get all the chunks out. The 5-gallon bucket is going to serve as the supply, and then you're gonna take from that supply and put it into a smaller vessel, whatever you choose. You can make it super fancy. I don't go super fancy. I just use a empty white vinegar bottle, and I just use that automotive funnel and just pour it in there. But you do need to dilute it. So fill the vinegar bottle, whatever you have, half full with hot water, then add your water. Make sure it has a lid, give it a good shake, and then that's what you're gonna use. And it depends on the load. We usually have no moderation, aka I don't have any moderation. So when I do laundry, usually the washing machine is filled to the tippy top and I have it on a heavy setting, and it's a thing. I just have a 1/2 cup measure, use the 1/2 cup for a really big load. If you're a 1 person, 2 people, small laundry loads, you're a responsible person unlike me, then a 1/4 of a cup would probably serve you just as well. So I hope this helped you. Please let me know if you tried it, and any video requests, just let me know. Bye.